How to change Facebook page name. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device. After that, once you land on your home page, and here I'm logged in with my personal account. So you have to switch to your Facebook page. For that, tap on the profile icon along with the three-line icon from the top right corner, and under this menu there is an option to switch to your Facebook page. So simply tap on your Facebook page and there you go. We have switched to Facebook page. Now, once you're on your home page of your Facebook page, again navigate to your page profile icon along with three-line icon from the top right corner. You will land on menu page. Here scroll down a bit and then tap on settings and privacy. Again tap on settings. That will take you to settings and privacy. Here scroll down a bit and under audience and visibility, tap on page setup. Under this page setup, you will find your page name, and next to that there is a button as a view. So tap on view. Now from here you can change your Facebook page name. But there is a small note that says if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change this again for 60 days. So within the 60 days of changing your name, you won't be able to change the name. You will only be able to change the name after the 60 days. So if you haven't changed your Facebook name within the 60 days, then you can change your Facebook name. So simply change your Facebook name from this text box right here. And after you're done with that, tap on review change and you will have the preview of your new name. Now to save this setting, you have to enter your Facebook password. So simply type in your Facebook password. Then tap on save changes. And with that, your Facebook name has been changed. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.